Hi, it's Michael Conway with Means of Production. I wanted to show you how to resize an image for Squarespace and for search engine optimization. The larger your image is, the less apt you are to be found in search because of the image size and the overall page weight caused by that image size. So we want to reduce the image sizes we have when we take them off our camera into a size that is 2,500 pixels wide and less than 500 kilobytes in weight. That's the Squarespace recommendations. So let's quickly drag an image in here. Okay, so our image is uploaded and I'm in Photoshop Elements once again. It's really worth the $100 to get Photoshop Elements because this is so fast. Okay, so I'm going to go to File and I'm going to click Save for Web. So if you look here, we have an image that is 24 megabytes. That is giant. And if we reduce it in size, you'll see down here as a JPEG what the actual size ultimately winds up being. So we want to keep an eye on this number here. And we also want to change our width. And we're going to control the way that it looks with these controls here. So first thing I like to do is to set this for 2500. Okay, so that's Squarespace recommended size. But of course, on a page, if an image block is used within a page, you may want to make that smaller. 2500 is ideal for a banner, but an on-page image can be as small as 600 pixels wide if it's sitting within the content of a blog page, as an example. So I've set that for 2500. I clicked return and oops, bear with me. I clicked return and it's smaller now. It's dropped down to 663 kilobytes. So up here, I want to make sure that this is set for JPEG. I want to click on optimize because we're optimizing our images for the web. And then I can use these crude tools here to reset it. So I've got all the way to low because this image is, or the original image is really large. And it's brought it down to 258 kilobytes, which is fine for say a blog page, but I think it might be a little bit soft for a banner and I want to use this image as a banner. So if I go over to quality, I can actually change it there. So let's increase the quality until we get it to approximately 500. So 25 gets me up to 269. Oops, I'm sorry, I hit 15, 269. So let's try 25. 25 gets me to 390. 390 seems good to me, so I'm going to leave it at 390. So now that I have it, I've got my JPEG at 2500 pixels wide at 390 kilobytes. So it fits Squarespace's requirements. Now when I click save, we want to change this. Everybody leaves these the same. It's really bad practice. So if you ever want to get found on Google image search, you want to change this name. So let's just call this Squarespace blog image resizing. Okay, so I'm trying to get a keyword in there. The keyword is Squarespace blog, and we can now save it. So if I save it, we're all set. It's that fast, that simple. I really believe that Photoshop Elements, even if you have the full Creative Suite from Adobe, Photoshop Elements makes this process so simple. And you can actually batch process numerous images in Photoshop Elements so that you're not doing this over and over and over again. Thanks.